So let's get to unboxing the device. We've got the SIM eject tool over here. Let's see if we get a case in the box as well. Couple of documentation. That's about it. Quickly take the phone out of the box and power the device on. Let's check what else is there in the box. You have a charger and a USB Type-C cable. So this is the Galaxy M21. It's got a big 6.4-inch AMOLED display which has full HD plus resolution. The phone packs in a 6000 mAh battery and it is a little thick, but it isn't very bulky. In the back, it has a triple camera setup. There's a 48 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary sensor, most likely a wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And there's also a fingerprint scanner at the back. Let's go ahead and set the device up. And the size of the display is such that you can barely reach the top of the display when you're holding it in the hand. The phone looks like it's primarily made out of plastic, and it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. I was disappointed when I did not find a case in the box, because this device does pick up fingerprints very easily. It has the standard USB Type-C port now, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a bottom firing loudspeaker. There's a secondary microphone on the top as well. And this is where the SIM tray is. Let's quickly pop that SIM tray open and check what kind of a setup it gets. So it's got 3 slots, so 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. This particular smartphone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9611 SoC. The device is available in 2 colors, blue and black, and we have the black variant. And this does feel a little plasticky at the back. It most probably is going to be plastic, because it also reflects light a little differently. But the display is very good to look at. An AMOLED panel at this price point is a good sign. It's very crisp, it's got very good viewing angles. The fingerprint scanner is decently positioned. It's somewhere where your fingers are naturally going to reach easily when you're holding the device in the hand. Now that the device is set up, let's take a look at the software. You do see a fair amount of apps pre-installed. You've got Netflix, Amazon, Shopping, Prime Video, Hello, Daily Hunt, Snapchat. Now we know that Hello and Daily Hunt, these are capable of generating some really spammy notifications. If you don't intend on using these apps, I would recommend that you uninstall them right away.